Through our global partnerships and data center infrastructure solutions, we'd like to share with you Legrand's Mighty Mo 20 racking system, which offers you the flexibility needed across any size network and efficiency in both airflow management and network installation. Mighty Mo 20 offers honeycomb side rails on all depth channel racks, improving cable management. Snap-on 180-degree bend limiters, which aid fiber-compliant vertical management. And vertical managers from 6 to 16 inches wide, simplifying patch cord and jumper routing. Assembling the Mighty Mo 20 system is simple and can be built in less than 30 minutes, with nothing more than a wrench and corner square. For more information on this Legrand solution, visit Anixter.com.